In today's video, we introduce the Shotoku SD and SE series tripods, our entry-level systems to a huge range of manual camera support. The SD series, which we cover in detail in another video, are aimed at lighter payloads and provide a great support solution for HD and 4K handheld camera systems. The Shotoku SE series, on the other hand, has evolved from the desire to provide a higher level of functionality and application flexibility, and a support system designed for the extended range of camera systems available today. Focusing on the SE150, these systems support up to 16 kilograms and are aimed at providing solutions for operators using camera payloads from larger handheld cameras through to more traditional ENG systems. To provide accurate balance over an extended range of camera payloads in this category, and to provide a higher level of control and adjustability, the SE150 systems incorporate an impressive 10 levels of counterbalance. Counterbalance is achieved using combinations of a series of rubber torsion springs, and an ergonomic rotary dial makes selecting the correct counterbalance fast and effortless. In addition to adjustable counterbalance, the SE150 systems provide 6 grades of pan and tilt drag adjustments to suit the application and user preference. The different grades are achieved through the selection or deselection of combinations of sealed fixed fluid drag modules via an easy-to-operate large rotary selector. This high-quality drag system ensures smooth on-air moves and excellent control for precise, high-level camera operation. An impressive tilt range of plus 80 degrees to minus 75 degrees offers a wide, flexible range of creative shot options, and well-placed ergonomic twist-lock pan and tilt brakes ensure locking off a shot is fast and easy to achieve. An operating temperature range of minus 40 to positive 60 degrees Celsius guarantees performance in a wide range of environments, and the quick-release two-way sliding camera plate fitted with 2 3/8" screws ensures a strong, positive connection with the camera. Systems can be supplied in either an aluminum 2-stage tripod or a carbon fiber 2-stage tripod configuration. The legs feature large, fast-to-operate locking levers shaped to avoid cable snagging, allowing for smooth and secure deployment. An integrated and illuminated leveling bubble guarantees fast and accurate system setup, even in low light conditions. With system weight starting at just 7.2 kilograms and a system height of 500 to 1700 millimeters, the SE150 systems provide a solid and flexible camera base in a truly portable format. In order to flexibly meet the demands typically required by users in this category, all SE systems can be supplied with either a ground spreader or a mid spreader, and come standard with a single pan bar with a large ergonomic grip. A second pan bar is available as an option, as well as a telescopic pan bar for right, left, or dual pan bar configurations where hand controls, for example in a studio configuration, might be used. Replaceable pan bar crowns offer additional longevity to these durable systems, and a foldable dolly option with directional wheel locks is also available for studio applications. Overall transport length is just 880 millimeters, which, with the incorporated, highly durable soft carry case, makes transporting these systems between shoots effortless. And there you have it. If you have any questions about proper equipment maintenance, would like to request a demo unit, or are interested in purchasing a system, visit our website shotoku.co.uk, where you can contact us directly or reach out to a local dealer near you.